Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring your device is updated and restarted. This avoids permission glitches. Once done, open Facetime and join the call, then tap the screen so controls appear. Make sure you and the other person agree to share control. That prevents surprises. If you don't see remote control, check settings next. You'll need both participants visible and on the same Facetime session before invoking the remote control feature. Now you enable control. Start screen share or share play and pick remote control. This initiates a request. Once the receiver accepts, you'll see a grant control prompt. Tap it quickly to pass control. Make sure to confirm any permission dialogues in settings, because without screen sharing permission, the feature won't work. If mouse or keyboard input feels laggy, reduce video quality or close heavy apps. This lowers CPU usage and stabilizes the remote session. To finish, tap Stop Remote Control or end the Share Play session. Control reverts instantly, and you can continue the call normally. If inputs don't register, reconnect Wi-Fi and relaunch FaceTime. Network hiccups cause most failures. Make sure screen recording and FaceTime permissions are enabled in settings, and verify accessibility or keyboard permissions on Mac OS. If problems persist, restart both devices and retry. This often clears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.